Hello, my name is Adam Dimshar, and today I'm going to show you how to use Thinglink. The first thing we need to do is go to our browser and type in the URL www.thinglink.com. And once it pulls up, you will need to be logged in. I already am. And here you'll find any Thinglinks that you already have in your account. If you want to create a new one, you click right here on Create. And you'll choose your base form of media you're going to use, video or image. We're going to select an image. And you will need to have this image already downloaded onto your computer. So I will select the one I want to use. And then you see it's going to populate right here. And as you see, we have a statue of Marabou B. Lamar, the second president of Texas. Now, what is a Thinglink? A Thinglink is a thing that links. So you're going to have a piece of media here, such as an image, and then we are going to add tags in here, which will make this image, this static image, interactive with different links that will access other pieces of information. So, for example, we'll hit add tag, and you have a few things you can choose from. We are going to choose right here, add text to media. You could just have add text or just add contents from a website, but we are going to add text and media. From here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload, or I'm going to use the link from a YouTube video. So we will put in that URL. We'll add a title of, Marabou B. Lamar's presidency. We'll type in YouTube and click here to view. And then we'll change our icon right here to a video icon and hit done. And we can place that wherever we like on here. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add another one. Add another piece of media. This one is going to be a podcast. So I'll put in the URL linking to the podcast. And I'll put in Life and Times of Lamar. And then the description will be the name of the podcast. Come and take it. Click here to listen. And we will change the icon to a microphone. And then we can put that wherever we want. Now, this is a quick demonstration of what you could do. You can continue to add links on as many as you like with as many different types of media that it's linking to. And students or users, you can select what you want and make this image what you want to get more information. Once you are done, you will click done. And this will kind of show you what you have created, where you've got your image, you've got your links that you can click on. Click here to view. You see that goes to a YouTube video.
Welcome to
the other one here. Click here to listen. That'll just take you straight over to the podcast. And once you are completely satisfied with this, you can hit share. From here, you'll get an embed code that you could put into a website, a share link to just put in an email, or a text message. You can hit publish to social media, or you can download offline and just save it for later, or put it on a flash drive, take it to work or school, whatever you want to do. So I hope this has been useful. I hope that you consider using Thinglink and enjoy. Thanks for watching.